Hello everyone. Today you're going to learn kinds of sentences. But before learning that, you should know what are sentences. A sentence is a group of words that gives a complete thought. A sentence begins with a capital letter. Sentences end up with a punctuation mark like full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. There are four kinds of sentences: assertive sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and interrogative sentence. Let us learn them in detail. Declarative or assertive sentence. Sentences that make a statement are called declarative or assertive sentences. Its function is to simply state something or which gives information about something. For example, Radhika is an artist. The women bought potatoes. Interrogative sentence. Sentences that ask questions and end with a question mark are called interrogative sentences. Its function: ask a question. For example, why have you shut this door? Is Nisha in town? Next is exclamatory sentence. Sentences that show surprise or strong feelings are called exclamatory sentences. Its function is to expresses a strong feeling, or you can say a strong emotion about something. For example, how fast the cheetah runs. What a lovely piece of music. Here, your emotions are being expressed with the help of a punctuation mark, that is an exclamatory mark in the end. Imperative sentence. Sentences that make a request or a demand or gives an order or advice are called imperative sentences. Its function: to give an order, command, advice or makes a request. For example, please speak softly. Go to sleep. Sit down. Declarative, that gives information. Interrogative, ask a question. Exclamatory shows strong emotion. Imperative gives a command or a request. So we have revised, and now there are few questions you have to identify and state the kinds of sentences. Pause this video for a second and solve this by taking a screenshot, and you will come to know how much you have understood through this video. Thank you, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Sujata Teaches. Thank you.